everyone. Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. In this session, we are going to discuss about the construction of triangle when one of the base angle and sum of two sides, or one of the base angle and difference of two sides are given. Here I will explain one of the method. Alternate method is also there that I will give in notes. But I think this is the easy way to construct this. Class 11.2 first question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC 7 cm, angle B 75 degree and AB plus AC 13 cm. Base is given as BC 7 cm. One of the base angle is given as angle B 75 degree. Sum of other two sides is given as AB plus AC equal 13 cm. We have to draw the given base BC of 7 cm by using the ruler. Okay. Then we have to get angle B as 75 degree. So using compass only we have to draw that angle B as 75 degree. For that from B we have to draw an arc with any radius. Okay, by taking any radius by the compass and draw an arc from B. Right? From B we have to draw an arc. But with the same measure we have to draw the arc from this point to here. Now we got it is only 60. But we have to get 75. 75 means what? 60 plus 15. Okay. 60 plus 15 is 75. So we have to get 15. For getting 15 we have to draw again 160. Okay. Then we have to draw the angle bisector of this second 60 degree angle. With the same measure we have to draw the arc from these two intersecting points. Okay, now this is the point P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. How we get this intersecting point S? When we draw the arc from this Q and R by taking the same radius, then we got the intersecting point S. Then when we join this S and B, that will be 30 degree. This measure will be 30 degree. It is only 30 degree from here to here. T to Q. Okay, but we want to get 15 degree. The 60 plus 15 we want to get. For that we have to draw the angle bisector of this TQ. So from T and from Q we have to draw the arcs with the equal radius. First radius we can take anyway, but second should be same as the first. Okay, from T and from R. Right? Now we got the intersecting point as U. Right? Then when we join this B and U, then we get a 75 degree angle that we can extend. This is our required angle XBC 75 degree. Right? Then next it is given that sum of the other two sides AB plus AC equal 13 centimeter. Okay. So that length, sum of these two sides we have to mark on this ray BX. On this ray BX. This angle line. On this angle line we have to mark that 13 centimeter by using compass. From the ruler we have to take 13 centimeter here. Then we have to draw the arc from this B to this angle line. Okay. Now this we can give any other name as, here I gave it as D. Because B and C is there. Then A is the point that we have to get. Okay. For getting A, first we have to mark this sum of other two sides 13 centimeter on this angle line BX. So this B to D will be what? 13 centimeter. You should use only pencil to draw the figure or construction. Okay, no need to use pen. Here I use pen to see this to you clearly. Okay, then we have to join these 2 points C and D by using ruler. Next step is we have to construct perpendicular bisector of this CD. To construct perpendicular bisector of CD, we have to take more than half of this length CD by using compass, not actual value, only approximate value. Then we have to draw the arcs to this left and right of this line segment CD. With the same measure, we have to draw the arc from D also. You already know that how to construct perpendicular bisectors. Many arcs are there, so no need to be confused. So now here we got it as Y and Z. Okay. The next step is we have to join this YZ and extend it. That means we have to get the point A on this angle line BX. That is our aim. So when we join this Y and Z and extend it, that line will intersect BX at a point. That will be our A, point A. This is the lines joining YZ and extend it. Now this line, this perpendicular bisector of CD intersect this BX at a point. That point will be our required third point A. Right? Now we have to join A to C by using ruler. Join the point A and C. Now this is the required triangle ABC. This is the required triangle ABC. Okay. I will say once more. First we have to draw the base line, that is BC, by using ruler. Then we have to get angle B 75 degree. That construction we already discussed in the last session. Okay. So in that way we construct 75 degree. That is this angle line BX. Then on this angle line I want to mark sum of other two sides, AB plus AC 13 centimeter. So using compass I have marked this point D by taking 13 centimeter, right? Then I joined these points D and C. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. For that we got two intersecting points Z and Y that we join and extend such that that line will intersect BX at a point A. So this is our required third point A, because B and C we already got. Then we have to get point A also. Now we got point A, then join A to C. Now this triangle ABC is the required triangle. This method you can use for the triangle construction when the difference of two sides are given. Alternate method have some changes, so I think you can practice this method. This is the most comfortable method. Second question is, construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal 8 cm, angle B equal 45 degree and AB minus AC equal 3.5 cm. Okay. So here the difference of the two sides are given. Anyway, steps are same. Okay. For that first we have to draw the base BC 8 cm by using ruler. Then we have to construct a 45 degree angle at B. Draw the base first BC 8 cm. Then we have to take angle B 45 degree by using protractor. For that first we have to draw a 60 degree angle. Okay, 60 degree angle. Okay, what is 45 degree? 30 plus 15, right? 30 plus 15. So anyway, many methods are there for doing 45 degree. Here I use this method. For that we have to draw a 60 degree angle. How much measure we took here? Same measure we use here also. Okay. Now these are the points P and Q. Right? Then we have to get 30 first. For getting 30, we have to draw the angle bisector of this PQ. So we have to draw two arcs with the same measure. Now we got the another point R. Now join this B and R. Then we will get 30 degrees. Line is not required. We have to get 30 plus 15. Here we got two 30s. This is 30. This is also 30. Then this 30 we need. Then from this 30 we have to get 15 degree. So we have to draw the angle bisector of this angle 30 degree. Okay, here we can give another name, that is S. Then from S and Q we have to draw the arcs. From S and from Q with the same measure. From S and from Q. Then we got another intersecting point, that is T. When we join this T and B, then we will get this 15 degree. Then this 30 degree plus this 15 degree together, it will be 45 degree. Angle XBC is 45 degree. Okay. Angle XBC is 45 degree. Then in the question it is given that difference between other two sides, that is AB minus AC. AB minus AC is given as 3.5 centimeter. Okay. AB minus AC is given as 3.5. So as last question, we have to mark a point by taking this measure from B on this angle line BX. So we took 3.5 centimeter by the compass and draw an arc. 3.5 centimeter and draw an arc. Now this is the point D, right? Then as the last question, we have to join this D and C. Now this measure will be what? 3.5 centimeter. This D to B. Then we have to join this D and C. Okay, D and C. This is not a line. This is the line segment. Not a line. It is a line segment, right? Then we have to join this D and C. Now this is the line segment joining C and D. The next step, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. For that we took more than half of CD and draw the arc from C to left and right of this, or up and down of this line segment CD. From D also we have to draw the arcs. Then we will get two intersecting points Y and Z. Then as last question, we have to join that 2 points and extend it. That extension should be intersect this XB at a point. If it is not intersect, then you can extend this ray. Perpendicular bisector intersect BX at this point. So this point will be A. This point will be our required third point A. Then we have to join A and C. A and C we have to join by using ruler. Now this is the triangle. This big triangle ABC is our required triangle. This big triangle ABC is our required triangle. So you should shade it. Okay. So ABC is the required triangle. Question number 3. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR 6 cm, angle Q 60 degree and PR minus PQ equal 2 cm. Okay, here first we have to draw the base which is given QR equals 6 cm by using ruler. Then next we have to draw angle line Q. Okay, by taking 60 degree. For that we have to draw 60 degree angle. We can draw an arc with any radius. With the same radius, we have to draw the arc from this point to this arc. Now we got a point A, right? Then join Q and A and extend it. Then we will get angle Q as 60 degree. Now this angle XQR is 60 degree. Okay. Then it is given that the difference between the other two sides is 2 cm. So we have to take 2 cm by the compass from the ruler and draw an arc on the line on the ray QX. So here I took 2 cm and I have to draw an arc from Q to this angle line QX. Okay, now this is the point B. Then what we will do? This point we have to join to this endpoint R. Okay, the line segment BR. The next step is we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment BR. For that we have to take more than half of this line segment BR and draw the arc to left and right from one of the endpoint R. With the same measure we have to draw the arc from other endpoint B also. We have to get intersecting points. Okay, if we didn't get intersecting point, then we can extend this arc. Now we got the intersecting point as Y and Z. Then join this Y and Z and extend it. Then this extension should intersect QX at a point that will be our required point P. Now this perpendicular bisector intersect XQ at a point that will be our required third point P. Then join P and R. Now this triangle PQR is our required triangle. PQR is our required triangle. Question number 4 is not there. I already told that if perimeter and two base angles are given, then the construction of triangle is not there for this year because CBSE removed the topic from this chapter. So we have to discuss the last question of this chapter, that is question number 5. Question number 5. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 cm and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 cm. So from this question itself we have to get one of the base angle is 90 degree right angle and base is given as 12 cm. Sum of other two sides is given as 18 cm. So first of all we have to draw the base. There is no name is given, so we can give any name. So I gave BC 12 cm, right? Then we have to draw an angle. One of the base angle is 90 degree. So here I select B. Then I draw 60 degree first. Then one more 60 degree. Then draw its angle bisector. Then this will be 30, this will be 60. Together it will be 90 degree. So I extend this and get the point X. Okay, that means BX is the angle line. Then as the first question what we should do, we have to take sum of the two sides, 18 cm given, that we can take by the compass from the ruler. So here I took that as 18 cm, right? Then this is the 18 cm. That name I can give as D. Then what we will do, join this D to C. Then draw its perpendicular bisector. Join C and D and draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. For that I will take 3/4 of the distance and draw the arc from C to left and right of this line segment CD. With the same measure from D also we have to draw the arcs. Okay. Then we will get two intersecting points that are Y and Z. Then we have to join these 2 points and extend. Then that line intersect this BX at a point. That will be our required third point. Here I will give the name it as A. This is the point A. Okay. Then join AC. Then ABC is our required triangle. Required triangle ABC. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.